Happy Onam to all! I hope you're all doing safe and well. I'm all geared up for this Onam, and the best part about it, the Sadhya paired with a delicious Payasam. Every year, usually in Onam, we have Vallamkali, Pulikali, Pookalam and many other colourful events. Due to the pandemic, Onam has become dull and lost its punch this year. But I wanted to make something special and colourful to liven it up. I had some colourful bow pasta with me. So, let's make Pasta Payasam colourful edition. Look here. I think you can make a Pookalam using these. Almost every time I make a dish, I always go the easy method. So, let's make some easy, colourful Pasta Payasam. So here we have the pressure cooker. I'm going to fill half of it with water. Once it boils, I'm going to add the pasta. Pretty heavy. Now we'll wait for 2 whistles. First whistle. We're going to wait for this pressure to release. Then we're going to sieve the pasta because we don't want any extra water content in the pasta. Then after that we're going to use the pasta to make some yummy payasam. So let's wait for the pressure to release. So here's the cooked pasta. I also ran some cold water through it to prevent overcooking. And let's start on the payasam. Now using a kadai, let's turn on the heat and let's add some milk. Simmer the milk for 5 to 10 minutes. Mix it a little bit in between so that the heat is distributed evenly. Reduce the heat a little bit. Now let's add condensed milk. Stir for a couple of minutes while cooking. We're mixing because we don't want it to get stuck to the bottom and clouds to form. Let's add the pasta. Add it slowly. This is the modern version of Ada Payasam. All the kids will enjoy it for its color and taste. Now we have got to cook the payasam until it starts becoming thick. Let's cook it for a couple of minutes. Let's add cashew nut paste for thickness. I have made a cashew nut paste using a little bit of milk. Let's mix a little bit. And to make this payasam extra tasty and rich, I'm going to be adding my secret ingredient, white chocolate. I'm using Nestle's Milkybar. Let's melt these and mix. I've cooked it for 5 minutes and now it has thickened. Let's add cardamom powder and salt to balance the taste. Mix a little bit, then switch off. Now let's move on to the garnishings. I have a small pan with me here. I'm going to turn on the heat. Let's first add the ghee. Now let's add the cashew nuts. Add raisins. Our yummy, special, colourful pasta payasam is ready. I hope you all have a lovely Onam. And I have one request from my side. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. And don't forget to wear your masks. Bye guys!